Hi, my name is Dovilė. I am client manager for the customer portfolio of the largest multinational corporates. Some of them are even on the Fortune 500 list.
Hi, my name is Karolis. I work as senior client manager covering international asset managers from the US, Middle East, Asia and Pacific regions. My clients are non-banking financial institutions such as sovereign wealth funds, pension funds, and hedge funds. LC&I Client Management is one of the main client-facing units in Danske Bank.
Client managers are one point of entry to ensure smooth daily banking business and great customer experience. This means to deliver first-class daily banking support to our global customers, aligned with their needs and expectations, and making their journey within Danske Bank as smooth as possible. Every day is really dynamic, from questions related to cash management products, client onboarding in the bank, till helping the client to navigate complex issues appearing on a daily basis.
Simply put, we are daily problem solvers for our largest customers in the bank. It also means that you're a spider in the center of a web who tries to find solutions to different problems. Problem solving happens both ways, internally and externally, where you have to guide and help customers. I believe essential competencies for a key customer management are customer centricity and customer-oriented mindset, solution facilitation of customers' issues, strong communication and active listening.
It is very essential to be open-minded and eager to learn. Be curious to understand our clients' business strategy, key targets, and objectives. It is very important to have strong diplomacy, coordination, and problem-solving skills. I really enjoy being so close to the client on a daily basis. We are always the first to know what is cooking at our customers' treasury department.
After 6 years at Danske Bank, I feel as motivated as it was my first day. I have a chance to work with customers who are well recognized globally, and most importantly, to work with great colleagues, inspiring leaders who excels me not only professionally but also personally. I like to spend my spare time with my loved ones, and after living 5 years in Denmark, I just love cycling.
My favorite hobby is running. Running makes me more concentrated and calm. That really helps working in unexpected situations with a client. As we say in the team, the great customer experience is not a job, it's a lifestyle. This is the attitude we bring every day. If you can relate to this as well, join us.